Oh, that was not easy. Oh. Well, thing was the reason you can see that there, and you look down here, it would have been absolutely impossible to get to those screws. So I had little to no choice but to pull this end off. I'm going to hit the top corners with wood glue, and then on the corners I'm going to put some small brad nails. Try and find a really tiny drill bit so I can get in there and I can stick the like a little nail or something, like a pin nail or brad nail. Here, that's what I'm talking about. Something similar to it, but smaller. Let me look in my pop. Aha, there we go. Something like this, just smaller or the same. I don't know, but that's only two ways of getting that back on. So yeah, just some glue and some time and some gentle persuasion. I had to use gentle persuasion. If I didn't do that, these here would have broke, and this could have broke too. Then I'd be really in trouble. Now I can go ahead and I can clean the movement up a little bit better, oil it up in places, and make sure it's all nice and clean and crisp and yes. Alright. What's also nice is it's going to give me the opportunity to stain them. So, yay. Alright, give me a second, I want to get the movement out. Alright, here's the mechanism. Plastic front, looks like. You know, a lot of plastic gears in the front. The charm barrel in the back is plastic. See? This would be a high quality plastic due to being a German movement. All the parts need to be clean. See, look at that. See how it just goes down like that? It should just go slam right down there. That's how it keeps on going like crazy, and I needed to get that done. I couldn't do that through the holes, so I had no choice. It also gives me an ample opportunity to clean everything else up in the front as well as in the back, because lordy loo, is it dirtified in there. So yeah, I gotta get that in there. I don't see really anything on the front other than the average. You can see this is kind of like this part here, it spins. Give me a second. Here, see how it kind of spins back and forth like that? It's really neat. It's a different kind of spring design I never really seen. I've only seen one other one I've had. Yeah, it's just because it's all just gummed up and just lots of trash in the front. And it's also really unoiled, and it's just, yeah. Alright, well, let me go oil it, and I'll put it somewhere safe for now. Well, it's getting late, and I managed to get this thing to kind of do a thing for a little bit. See? Went ahead and oiled some stuff in it. I'm probably gonna get some, like, you know, like liquid ranch or something, so I can blast off the garbage that's in there. I'll probably get a Q-tips, some box of Q-tips or something on Thursday. Alright. Alright guys, this is late as all hell right now.